Hi everyone, welcome to Gerard Lab. Today I will be showing you a colorful rainstorm. Fill the flask with 35 ml of water and 10 ml of oil. Add 4 drops of red, yellow and blue color. Look, the drops look so beautiful. Pour it quickly into the conical flask. Let's wait and watch. When you drop food colors into oil, they do not mix with the oil. They get hung in the oil. Oil is lighter than water. That is why oil floats on water. Food colors are heavier than oil. That's why they move to the bottom of the oil. And when they touch the water, it mixes with it. So that was a colorful rainstorm for you. I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe.